right, guys, we are off to the nail supply store and then on a last minute Thanksgiving run. So come with me, we're gonna go. It's the best nail supply store in town. So I live within 5 miles of all of the major nail supply stores in Dallas area. And I will tell you, Nails Plus in Richardson is the absolute best. If you're looking for quality brands, like the big brands, this is where you want to come. Plus, they have very reasonable prices. You're probably going to pay about as much as you would pay if you ordered it online with free shipping as you would coming here and getting the product. So we're going to hop inside and I'm going to show you around. They always keep it extremely nice and clean. Love that. It's very well organized and great staff. Here we go, and I'm going to try really hard not to go crazy. Yeah, so let me put my wallet up and my keys. They like you to walk around hands-free, so we'll just keep that in there. And Kira Sky's new line. You guys, I don't know if you've tried it yet, but it's so pretty. I love the packaging, love all the colors. And there is this stunning red one right here. Gorgeous. I may have to get some soon and try it. And they, of course, have a ton of Two Guys. If you guys don't know, that's a huge brand here in Dallas. And, yeah, they have a ton of Two Guys. We've got our Zen stuff over here. Actually, not yet. Let's see. It should be coming up. I want to get the Zen products as well. Kira Sky, of course, always has a really pretty display. Love that. Here is our Zen, and I want to get these boxes of Zen soon, hopefully. That's on my little wish list. It'll have to be after Christmas, but hopefully I can still find the colors then. They have a really nice supply of creations, which is extremely affordable, really nice, a ton of fun, highly recommend it. They've got all different kinds of creations. They're fairy dust. They've got all the good things, all the good things. I love to play with them. This is their mermaid collection. Gorgeous. I have a few of these, probably about 5 or 6, but I would love to get more. Jandy is brushing her teeth in the background. If you hear that strange sound, I'm trying to run away from it, but it's following me all around the house. Some more from the Honey line, which seems to be really, really popular here in the Dallas area. I haven't tried it yet, but everybody loves it. Now, I personally love this OMG collection. Gorgeous, 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 especially the glittered acrylics. Love them. And the glitters. The glitter mixes are really, really nice too. And they're huge. Then we've got our Gotti, and I have several of those. Not Polished, another huge brand out of this area. And Not Polished just came out with their pat gels, or their patty gels. I think they're calling them melts. I could be wrong, but I believe that's what it is. And all of their pretty glitters. C&D, another wonderful brand. Zerno's Tap, which is their polygel and their hybrid gels. Look at these gorgeous colors. I cannot wait to try this. Hopefully I can get some soon because I really want to play. Valentino just came out with theirs. Here's Honey's. Honey has some gorgeous colors. Creations has their line as well. I haven't tried that either. But they're a lot of fun to play with. So if you guys haven't yet, this is a great brand to try. The gel bottle. They have a huge collection of the gel bottle, which is really, really nice. Cocoist is a new brand that just arrived a few months back. And we have our Nail Thoughts, which is fabulous. If you guys haven't tried it, super, super nice product. Soft Gel, I haven't tried their products yet, but looking like something that we might try in place of a Prey Gel X. Dazzle Dry is my go-to for my polish girls, for my regular lacquer polish girls. All the chromes that you can even imagine. Love them all. I haven't tried the honey chromes, but I'm going to get one today, and we'll have to give it a whirl. I am really nuts over the metallic shades, especially for this winter. I can't get over them. So I'm going to have to get several. Ooh, I love this orange. And gold, any kind of gold is really, really nice. Doughy, if you haven't tried it, is really, really nice. I would put it right up there with Nail Thoughts. And they have some gorgeous colors, really syrupy and nice to whenever you apply them. Very, very nice, smooth application. Looks really pretty on the nail. Here is our Z Blend again. And I'm gonna grab the one that I want. I'll just have to find it here. These are a couple other brands that I wanted to show you. They had a big swatch board of, and I thought they were pretty colors. And I haven't tried these yet, but I would definitely give them a whirl because look how stunning they are on the swatches here. And this nail place, actually they put their swatches together for us so that way we can see that it looks just like the board. And these are the color changing. Really, really nice. Look at these beautiful pastels. And I love these natural tones. I guess it's called the Cotton Candy Pastel Collection, but it's very, very pretty. Here is our Glass Cat Eye collection. Stunning. Look at all the colors. It was really hard to pass this up today. Honey's got hers in like neutral tones. Again, very, very pretty. Great option if you can't afford some of the more expensives, especially with this creation. I love this particular line. I am slowly adding to my collection. That number 9, though, is looking really, really pretty to me today. But I'm not going to get any of these, even though I would love to. 36 is also gorgeous. 33. Yeah, loving these. Lots of fun. And then, of course, we have our Apres. Look at these beautiful metallic colors. Oh, my gosh. Yeah, it was real hard to say no to this one, although honestly, money-wise, I have got to say no. So these will just be kind of something to think about. This is a beautiful collection, their Astral collection. Really, really, really pretty, especially if you love like the sparklies, which who doesn't, right? Really, really pretty. Look at the galaxy colors. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Stunning. All right, guys, we are all done with that. I've got like 1 hour to get across town to this great market that we have that has the best pecan pie in the city. And it's my absolute favorite. So I haven't had it for a couple of years and I want to get it this year. I've been thinking about it all year. So we're going over there right now. As far as the nail supply store, I did not do bad damage. I just got necessities, so nothing like extremely fun, but I'll show you what I got whenever I get home. We have arrived at our grocery store, so I'm just going to kind of take you with me as I browse through here. And yeah, we'll just kind of make it a really quick trip. And when you know it, they're selling Christmas trees. Ton of people here to pick up Christmas trees. And it smelled so good in this entryway. I really had to resist buying one of these ferns or something because it just, not ferns, one of these furs because the pine smelled so good. Here's this candle that I absolutely love. Picking that up. And right when I came in the doorway, I saw my pecan pies were sitting over here. So I snatched up one of these. So again, I could make it through really, really fast. They have a gorgeous fresh food section, and their floral section is always super pretty. But again, we're just gonna run through here. I'm gonna try to make it through the aisles best way I can. Well, looky there, there's a handsome Texas man for you guys. Okay, get ready. We're gonna duck and weave and dodge and try to make it through here. It's a little crazy. This is Jandy's favorite section, so I stopped in to get her some of these Chinese sesame seeds that she loves so much. We just got to find the right one. Usually she likes a spicy. All right, everybody, we are 8 minutes after rush hour. So I'm gonna hurry up, jump in this, and get the heck out of Dodge here, jump in this traffic and get the heck out of Dodge before it gets any worse. I've got about a 30-minute drive, so let's see if we can make it home before we get stuck in way too much traffic. Okay. So I needed a nice big brush to dust off stuff when I'm working on my mannequin hand. And I really wanted to get this particular color, D&D. I don't have a lot of D&D, but I saw this color and I really, really liked it. It is called Kiss Vampire, or Vampire, it's called Vampire's Kiss. So really, really pretty, very dark, very dark. Some alcohol. I needed some cuticle oil, so I got this cuticle oil in, what is this, Tuscan Garden. I don't know what it smells like, but I'm sure it smells good. This is one of my favorite brands. Some miniature sanding bands. My Tammy Taylor files. This was the 100 grit, which I've never used before, so I figured I needed that and got that one. They didn't have 150, so I'll have to wait and order that probably on Amazon. Then I needed some Appraise gel tips for my little niece. I got her the extra small almond. And I also got her the short coffin in natural. A couple of chromes. So I got a honeychrome. I've never used that before. Got that one. It's this pretty copper color. So we'll try that. And then a mermaid aura chrome by Daily Charm. Some more little sanding bands. I think I got a coarse and a medium. And then I love my Zen. This is in the color Stone, which I love. And I wanted to try I love the way it looks. I haven't tried it yet in the Stone color, but they had this one in the smaller bottle, so I decided to get that to give it a try. For my run to the Central Market, I got some of these little Chinese sesame seeds in cheddar, which are always good. And then I love this candle. It's called Fur. By the way, guys, happy Thanksgiving. Of course, we have our beautiful pecan pie. Really, really nice. Looking lovely and delicious.